Hey guys, this is Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies, and it is Monday, March 26th, and we had the largest one-day rally in history. Well, not history, for the last couple of years. But to look at my chart, where's the rally? Well, this is a linear regression template, and this is a 60-minute chart of the RTH session. So, very, very interesting. Very interesting. And for the RTH session, it kind of looks like we're going to be selling the rally mentality maybe tomorrow. Get everybody thinking that they're going to be buying the dip and then the market's going to turn around and slam their head. I don't know. But here is the 15-minute chart, and you can see the rally on the 15-minute. Here it is. If you were saying, well, it was rallying, where is it? Here's your shorter term time frame. You had the big gap up, and then it kind of faded the prior closes. That was a Thursday last week close, way over there, and faded that, brought it back down, and then the dip buyers came in right about 78.6 of that high low. So if you were to fib this, I bet that is 78.6. I'm getting better where I can just look at these. Look at that. Yep. And so they turned it around. That's where your dip buyers came in and ran that up. Here's a 3-minute chart. We can see it a lot better on the 3-minute chart. And again, this is not your tick for tick. This is linear regression. This is just showing you when the market is coming in really hot directionally. So very much the short-term rally, put it back on your 60-minute chart. Not so much. Not so much. So, I wonder if I'm on to something. So if this turns around overnight and comes all the way back down and starts taking out everybody, say that you saw it here first. But otherwise, let me put the BloodHound on the chart here. Give me 1 second. Had hang on 1 second. Okay, here we go. And you can see that here are my trigger threes. This is what I was trading today, were trigger threes. And here's your trigger three line. So every time price would come back and hit that line, cross it, and then go back through it, I get a signal. And so that's what I was electing to trade today in the trade room. Had some pretty good signals, couple of good ones. It got a little bit up and down earlier in the session. See, I think I caught those right there to close my session out. Those two were pretty good ones for me. I got that one. Let's see, this one, and I got that one. And I think I even got that one too. But early on, it was choppy. I got chopped, I got stopped out. I know I got stopped out on this one. I was short here, and it came around and stopped me out there. So it did get choppy, but it ended up, see how choppy it was? It wasn't really going, but we were moving short early in the session, and then after I stopped trading, it started moving up. And who would have known, it's like you can't forecast this. Like I wouldn't have stopped trading if I would have known it would be rallying up as great as it did. I mean, 3%. Let's take a look at the market analyzer. Here it is, and you can see 3.4% to the upside, the NASDAQ. It was the leader, upside leader, followed by the E-mini, the Dow, and the Russell was the laggard. 6E had a really good day today, but I guess the story is those tech stocks, they really came back. But hold on to your ponies. Like I said, weekly daily is still to the downside on all of these index pairs. This was short-term bounce off that 200 EMA on the Dow. The NASDAQ did not get down there to hit that 200 EMA, and I'm going to pull up a daily chart right here. Give me 1 second, and we will look at this because I am just wondering if we're just seeing some fantastic swings in the market. So very, very strong close. You can see that we were all the way down here and then rallied all the way back up. So this shows a very, very strong close. At the very least, I think we're going to get back here in the middle. But when we hit this down volatility on our short-term average, given the bearishness, we're below zero on the momentum. And here's that EMA. We had not even hit it. Here is the Dow. And you can see that the Dow did not test that low either. It rallied up on the 200 EMA, but this is a flat market. And my linear regression, I'm just telling you, maybe I'm the only one. It can go up and down, but this is not looking that bullish. You know, despite the intraday 3.4%, I mean, that's a big move. I mean, volatility is definitely back. Thank you, Lord. I've already said that. But just saying, don't be surprised if, if you're scratching your head at the end of the week when we see this back down on the lows. All right. Maybe not. Maybe my prognosticating skills are not that good, and I can't see the forest for the trees, but we shall see. So if I turn this over to the regular time frame, we'll get a different picture. This is the ETH, and here we see the bullishness that is in the market. It's only on that RTH session view that looks so bearish. So just be careful. All right. Okay. Well, y'all have a great day. Come see us in the room. We're going to be trading more threes. I think I'm going to stick with it for this combine at least. Got through day one, and you know, 5 or 10, 15 more days to go. However long it takes me to get to 3,000. 3,000 or, yeah, 3,000. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.